Hi guys, a very good morning, and this time around I need to take time to agree with Councillor Denford Ngadzore. He says as long as Chamisa asipo havasi kuda kuita unity vega. Pavari kutaura zveunity vari kuti uyai tikombe mukomana zvekare, possibly for another paper 3, and this is true. When you hear them saying Chamisa, they're actually doing it because they want to humiliate Nelson Chamisa once again. And at this point in time, it seems as if Mkomana arikuona and Mkomana tarataiwa bodo. Hakuna zvese zvamuri kutaura zveunity. I want to be honest with you. You know, I have seen a lot of people, some even come to my inbox and they say, you guys are dividing the opposition, you guys are not uniting the opposition. I want to be clear. And I will continue to be clear. There is no opposition being divided. ZANU-PF people are not from the opposition. They are not. Let us be honest. Let us tell the truth as it is. ZANU-PF people are not from the opposition. That is true. That is the real truth we can talk of. So whatever we are seeing at this point in time, we are seeing people who are desperate to be included in politics because they have realized that they rushed the things, they made mistakes, and now they want to unite with Nelson Chamisa so as to leave him again. I will continue to say it as it is. Isiri kuti achamisa unity yacho inombobatsira chii. Simba One Blow says they are seeking to regain long lost relevance. That is true. These are people who are no longer relevant politically. These are people who no longer are considered as serious people when it comes to the issue of politics. And they are doing whatever they can to make sure that they are brought back to life politically. So, you know, this thing ndechekuti isusu tiri kumboti tadi kumboita mubatanidzwa, wana Monzora, wana Madhuku, vese ava vobatana vombotsvaga constituency 1 yavanoti no by election yauya toda kumborakasha election ku by election Nelson Chamisa Mnangagwa ku by election. They can't, because they know the truth that they are not doing it for the people. They are not coming genuinely to unite. They are coming to actually massage their egos. They are coming to get relevance. They are coming for them to get stories. So guys, ini ndoramboonawo unity yevana vese vari pascreen ngavamboita unity tione, totangira ipapo.